In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crossplay on Mortal Kombat 11, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Mortal Kombat 11 does have crossplay between different platforms, including PlayStation and Xbox. However, keep in mind that PC will not have crossplay. The only sort of crossplay available on PC is if you have someone who is on Xbox Game Pass and you are playing on PC. You will be able to do crossplay that way, but you cannot play between PC and a console. So PlayStation and PC or Xbox and PC. Regardless, to actually do PlayStation and Xbox crossplay, go over to the Fight menu, so on the home screen choose Fight, then go over to Online. When you go to the online rooms, you will find plenty of options like Ranked, Casual, Private, and then what we're looking for, Rooms. So scroll down until you find Rooms. In here, one of you can create a room, or you can simply join. So if you choose Join, the very first thing that you will see at the right is Crossplay. In this example here, it is at beta, but it should already be released when you go inside of your game. So just make sure that this is toggled on. This feature needs to be enabled for both you and your friend. With Crossplay enabled, now both of you can join any room. You will usually see the Crossplay label like this in parentheses, so just make sure that both of you choose a room that has Crossplay. Or you can press a specific button, in this example X, to create your own crossplay room. Either way, just make sure that both of you connect in the same room together. When you join a room, you will see all other players who are there, and you will see their platform. So if they're on Xbox, you'll see the Xbox icon, and if they are on a different platform, then you will see the crossplay symbol like this. All that you have to do is look for your crossplay friend and make sure that you join them. So you will see all of the individual users here. And what you have to do is locate your friend who you want to play with. So once you find them, you simply choose them from the list, join them, come back to a duel, and you will be able to start doing crossplay against them. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.